Orlando Pirates are visiting Sekhukhune United in a Betway Premiership match. This will be the first match of 2026 for Orlando Pirates. This marks the second half of the season. Orlando Pirates did not play midweek, so they'll be playing their first match of the new year against a very stubborn Sekhukhune United. A Sekhukhune United that defeated Orlando Pirates. These two sides, they met in an opening fixture of the season, of this current season, the 2025-2026 season. And it was Sekhukhune United who defeated Orlando Pirates by a goal to 0 out at Orlando Stadium. So Orlando Pirates will go into this match seeking a revenge. Also remember, in the second round of last season, Sekhukhune United defeated Orlando Pirates again at Orlando Stadium. So the details of the match are as follows. Date is Saturday, the 24th of January 2026. The venue is Peter Mokaba Stadium in Polokwane. So meaning this time it is Sekhukhune United who are playing at home. This is a revenge mission for Orlando Pirates. Sekhukhune United has become a boogie team for the Sea Robbers, winning their last two head-to-head encounters. With Mama Sanders recently reclaiming the number 1 spot after beating Orbit College by 2 goals to 0. Orlando Pirates cannot afford any more slip-ups in this high-intensity title race. The league standings and form guide. Sekhukhune United are currently at number 4. They've played 14 matches. They've collected 25 points. In the previous 5 matches, they've got 1 win, 2 draws, and 2 defeats. Their last match, it is a 1-0 defeat at the hands of Stellenbosch. Then Orlando Pirates, who are the visiting team, are currently at number 2. They've played 12 matches. They've got 28 points. Recent form coming to this match, it is 1 draw and 4 wins. Last result in the league, it was a 2-0 win over Durban City. Orlando Pirates are technically the most informed team in the country, but find themselves second due to games in hand. Sekhukhune United started 2026 poorly with a 1-0 loss to Stellenbosch, conceded to their former star player, Tsofatso Mabasa, who was on loan, and are desperate to stay in the top 4. Orlando Pirates, the Bucks have been busy signing New Zealand international Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch plus Daniel Msendami and Pochabatsane from Marumo Gallants. Players who have left, it is Munapule Saleng, who has officially joined Mamelodi Sundowns, and Tsofatso Mabasa, who has moved to Stellenbosch on loan. Sifiso Luthuli and Siyabonga Ndlozi were loaned to Magesi FC this week. Sekhukhune United, in terms of the players that have come in, they've signed Ivorian winger Tidiane Diamande from Stade Abidjan to replace the outgoing pace. Then Sekhukhune United out players loaned Ronald Marman and Sphiwe Mahlangu to Durban City. Then let us look at the Orlando Pirates. Key player for Orlando Pirates coming to this match, it is Ozwino Police. And the key player for Sekhukhune United coming to this match, it is captain Linda Mtambo, who also happens to be a former Orlando Pirates player. Under coach Absalom Wadu, Pirates have become much more clinical. They are currently the best away team in the league. Expect a 4-2-3-1 formation with Evidence Makgopa leading the line, supported by the creative flair of Mufokeng Apolis and the work rate of de Jong. They will look to dominate the ball and squeeze Sekhukhune in their own half. The Tinkler grid. Eric Tinkler will likely set up to frustrate, knowing Pirates struggle when denied space. Expect a compact 4-4-1-1. They will invite Pirates to attack, then use the transition speed of Diamonde and Lindam Tambo to catch the Buccaneers fullbacks out of position. The head-to-head record, last meeting being in August the 9th, rather yes, Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune United 1. Sekhukhune has won 4 of their last 9 meetings. Pirates have only won 4 with 1 draw. This is one of the most balanced rivalries in the PSL right now. Pirates are playing with a chip on their shoulder. They feel they are the best team in the country and are tired of losing to Babina Noko. Sekhukhune's recent loss to Stellenbosch suggests they aren't quite up to full speed after international break. Predictions, I'm predicting a 2-0 victory for Orlando Pirates. What are your predictions, guys? Go to the comment section and give me your predictions. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Debus Kosana. The name of the platform is Mzansi Total Football. Thank you very much.